Uptown Swing, level 4, Big Apple. Last week's recap has the whole thing with just me, 2 counts, with my back always to you. This week, I have my lovely assistant, Peter Strom, who's gonna come in during the partnered parts. Peter has not been practicing it all month, so you watch my feet and his general countenance.
But I'm gonna nail it.
He's gonna nail it. All right, here we go. Hit it. Intro before the intro. Entrance. Woo.
You're so right.